Hello and welcome to this week's Vaticano Updates, the most important news from the Holy Father and the Vatican. The Continental Assembly of the Synod in Europe took place in Prague, Czech Republic, from the 5th to the 12th of February. 200 participants attended to promote dialogue at a continental level on the text of the document for the Continental Stage, or to quote more accurately, to formulate open questions to better substantiate and deepen the insights coming from the local churches. 111 members of the Order of Malta assembled to elect new leadership in an extraordinary chapter general convened by Pope Francis last year. Now, the pontiff told the capitulars in an audience at the Vatican, "You have written a very important page of history for the Order of Malta. Thank you, you can be proud of it." Francis had approved the order's new constitutional charter and regulations last year. On the 27th World Day for Consecrated Life, Pope Francis recalled the spiritual and special role religious brothers and sisters have in the Catholic Church. In a written message for February 2nd, the Pope wrote, "This special role stems from the special gift you have received, a gift that gives your witness a special character and value by the very fact that you are wholly dedicated to God and His kingdom, in poverty, virginity, and obedience." Archbishop Ganswein celebrated Mass at the tomb of St. Peter to mark 1 month since the death of Pope Benedict XVI. Now, Ganswein, the Pope Emeritus's longtime personal secretary, offered the Mass in the presence of a small group of people. Now, in his homily, Ganswein said Benedict was one of the greatest and most influential theologians of all time on the chair of Peter, and he put himself under the protection of a saint for whom there was no theology, only adoration. Pope Francis has appointed Bishop Mario E. Dorsonville, an auxiliary bishop for the Archdiocese of Washington, to lead the Diocese of Houma-Thibodaux in Louisiana. Now, Dorsonville is 62 and was born in Bogota, Colombia, and succeeds 59-year-old Archbishop Shelton Faber, who was transferred to the Archdiocese of Louisville in Kentucky by Pope Francis in March of 2022. Now, thank you for watching this week's Vaticano Updates. My name is Benjamin Crockett for EWTN Vaticano.